entire production line from China, which has arrived at the end of last week. And the implementation proves to be successful. So we will start the serial production for masks sometimes during this week. So that's why we can afford, to help others as well. We know the feeling we had. We know the feeling.
Therefore, we appreciate it very much, and citizens will appreciate it.
I hope. Of course. Thank you very much. Hey. My temperature.
We actually won today, no?
15th of April. I asked my colleagues how it comes.
Then we put them in the state country.
Becoming new foreign minister because away of home the least possible.
Have a nice meeting.
Okay.
See you later.
Okay, I'll see to your.
Yes,
I will come to your
yes.
ministry, right?
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, minister. Yep. Okay. Thank you. So now I. The direction saying that if you are healthy,